How to download Homicipher on PC or laptop. So if you want to download Homicipher on PC or laptop, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your browser. After opening your browser, you can search for Steam. If you've already downloaded your Steam application, or if you've already installed, then you can directly go with your Steam application. Or if you've not installed, you need to first search for Steam, and then it will take you to the website. You need to go with install Steam, which is on the top right, and install Steam application. Once you've installed, you need to open up your application. Make sure that you've logged into your account. If you don't have an account, you need to go and create an account. And once you've logged into your account, now you need to go with search for store. And from the store, you need to search for the game that you would like to download or install. Once you've searched, you need to scroll down, and here you will have add to cart option. So you just need to simply click on add to cart and then go with view my cart. And once you have the game on your cart, you just need to simply select the game. After selecting go with continue to payment, which is on the right side, you will have the total value right there, and go and add a payment method, any payment method that you're comfortable with. You'll have PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, or JCB. You can go and select any one of these, and after selecting, just enter the information, go with continue, which will be on the bottom right. And once you've paid, once you're done with the payment section, then you will have the install or download button, and you'll be able to install it. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.